What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dennis Shoe Man. I've got another unboxing for you today. I haven't made video at all in a couple of weeks, I don't think, like a week or so.
Yeah.
It's been a little bit more, and it's felt kind of weird. All the videos that you've been seeing lately have been recorded even like weeks or maybe even months ago. And this one, I needed to get this. I mean, I've already had it for a week or so, but there's another one coming up soon that is like the reverse of this. I haven't actually opened this box yet, but I needed the shipping box. So I did take it out of the shipping box, but I haven't looked at it myself yet. First, though, a word from my sponsor. Who's the sponsor?
Jesus.
J-E-S-U-S. It's a little bit different because some stuff happened in our life last week that could have caused some fear inside of us, right, Haley?
Mm-hmm.
In all of us, not just Haley, probably mostly Haley, but it really wasn't all of us, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And this devotional from today speaks to that. This is 2 Corinthians 4:13. And since we have the same spirit of faith, according to what is written, I believe and therefore I spoke, and also believe and therefore speak. And that's kind of hard for me to even understand, but that's a letter from Paul. That's in a letter from Paul to the church in Corinth. And it also says in 2 Timothy 1:7, and I want to speak this right now, Haley. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. So going back, and so that's written in the Bible in 2 Timothy 1:17. If we go back to, and I'm not sure exactly where this is, I probably should have got it, but Jesus was tempted in the wilderness by Satan. Do you remember that?
Kind of.
He was. And do you know one of the things that he did to fight the temptation from the devil?
What?
He spoke scripture. He spoke it. He didn't just think it. He didn't just know it. He hadn't just memorized it because he was Jewish, and that's something that all Jews did back then, was memorize scripture. I think a lot of them do today too. But they didn't just memorize it and know it. They spoke it out loud. Right. So Haley, we're going to speak this out loud. For God has not given us, you can just repeat after me with the rest of the audience. Okay? The rest of the viewers. For God has not given us a spirit of fear.
For God has not given us a spirit of fear,
but of power and of love.
But of power and of love.
And of sound mind.
And of sound mind.
That's 2 Timothy 1:7. So he has not given us the spirit of fear, but of power, love, and sound mind. When I think of sound mind, I think of like being rational. And a lot of times we have irrational fears. We're afraid of things that are like, in fact, it's not going to happen.
Yeah.
And I think you definitely felt some of that last week.
Yeah.
Like, there were definitely reasons to be fearful, reasons to be scared, but for fear to grip you, it was irrational. And sound mind lets you think through that a little bit more clearly. So I thought that was important. I wanted to share it with everybody. All right, so this is the Nike Air Max 1 NH Treeline Light Bordeaux.
Ooh.
I'm going to put up this picture right here. This is the Air Max 1 Light Madder Root and Worn Blue. And you'll be able to see in a second that this one that's here is almost the opposite of this. It's like the reverse. I think I like the Madder Root better, so we're going to go for the Madder Root. I honestly don't remember exactly what this looks like, but I think it's pretty dope. So
I think we should all get our next shoe.
Yeah.
Should be Air Maxes.
Air Max 1s?
Yes.
I mean, you just get those?
Not 270s, because they're way too expensive and they're not even
cute. You just get those?
Yeah.
We'll see.
Or we go for the blueprint in my size. Not go for it, but get them.
No, I'm not getting those. All right, here we go.
I'm okay with those up there, though.
Ready?
Yeah. Ooh! Well, this Air Maxes just remind me of Danny. Now that you hold it, it just looks like a Danny shoe.
Not necessarily, but
no, it does, because when I think Danny, I think golf, and I think the grass and the sand. And
funny
the
that
dirt.
you mentioned that, because it's kind of unfortunate. I kind of dislike that Nike does that, especially with a shoe that, like, when you just look at this shoe, it shouldn't really evoke these thoughts. But this was a 2/3 of the way through April shoe. Like, it released in May,
right? But
it was 2/3 of the way through April. You know, one of those dates around 2/3 of the way through April.
The 17th.
No, a little bit further. But
oh.
So if y'all know what that means, it's just a negative connotation that the shoe has. It was supposed to come out on that day, came out later. But it also is supposed to be reminiscent of a dunk that came out years ago. I don't even know what it was exactly.
I bet that dunk was cute.
Cute, but had the wrong message behind it, the wrong connotation behind it. Similarly to the Hawaii dunks. more obvious in the strawberry cough dunk.
Oh.
And it's just unfortunate that needs to be associated with, and that needs to be associated with a shoe, especially a shoe that, like the strawberry cough is like, all right, that was the exact theme. This just has no theme. It's just colors and stuff. And it's like, why? But that's okay. It is a pretty nice shoe. Kind of smell like vomit.
Wait. Oh, I was about to say let me smell, but then I realized what you said. I don't want to smell.
I don't want to smell that. I do like this, though. I do like this.
That was so dramatic. I'm so sorry.
This
That is cool.
Okay, it's not really polyurethane. It's better than what?
Ortholite.
It's better than Ortholite, but not that much better. But that's a nice little green cotton footbed.
That is so cute. Yeah. Is it gold?
So it is cute. I do like it, huh?
Is it gold?
Yeah, it's gold.
Oh, that's cool.
And
I would like that.
This is a little bit more brown.
This
is a little bit more gold because it's a little reflective. Really, really thick pink suede. I like that the Madder Root has more pink.
I like this shoe that it has. Oh, I don't know what the other one. I mean, I can't see in the air. But
hopefully we'll get it and you'll be able to see it here. Maybe I'll get that one for Hesper.
Yes.
And no, and you can have that.
Oh, but we can both.
Maybe.
Yes.
Atticus wanted some Air Maxes yesterday, but this is Atticus's new shoe. I'm going to record this one today too. I got to get his take on it as well. So you'll see this in a couple of days. This though, the Madder Root comes out on Thursday, I think. So y'all need to. I mean, it's supposed to be just very much like this. So this is a nice nubuck, a pretty nice nubuck. Again, pretty thick suede, long hair suede. Is a little bit shorter suede, but it's still pretty nice. Air Max
That's
ones.
why you got this shoe.
Why?
Because the suede.
Yeah. I mean, I like the pink too.
I agree. It's kind of like maroon, not maroon.
I mean, this is supposed to be
magenta.
Bordeaux, but it's pink.
It's like magenta.
Light Bordeaux, I think is what it is.
Yeah.
It's light Bordeaux.
Yeah, like magenta.
I don't see myself wearing this one though. It's too much green.
So it's too like weird color blocking.
I'm good with the blocking.
They kind of look off-brand.
I don't like the greens, but I didn't know this until I got it in hand that I'm just not really digging it. But Madder Roots, look for those next week. Hopefully we'll have a video up of them next week because I got the Jordan 11 72 and 10s on sneakers on Saturday. My size, Hesper's size is already here. We've got it. She's worn it, and got it on Saturday. It was delivered on Monday. It's crazy.
So crazy.
Yeah, got the Atmosphere Dark Mocha 3s in a size 8 women's. Didn't hit on any 12s.
Yes!
Any 12s, but I got it in an 8.
I didn't even know.
That was delivered Monday. Crazy.
We have it in this house.
No. I didn't. Bruh. I didn't hit on it. Isaac did. And he sold it to me.
Oh.
I gave him a tip. But so it was less than I would have paid to get him resale on StockX, and also more than he would have received had he sold them on StockX. So it was win-win. Thanks, Isaac. Of course, normal air pocket. This is just an Air Max one. I said not feeling it. I don't know why I wanted to point that out, but it did because it is kind of cool, right?
Yeah, I like the little pinkies in it.
That's actually the Bordeaux. Can you look at it really closely? That's the Bordeaux in there. I think this is pink on the top, and that's Bordeaux. I don't know.
Where are did you sell your Bordeaux ones?
Mine, yes. Hesper's probably in there.
Oh, they're right there. Right there. Oh, I thought I just showed everyone my toes. I got really scared.
All right.
Can't let the dogs out.
Like I said, I want to go ahead and get this out because this is a nice shoe. I like the way it's constructed. I like the materials, and the Madder Root I think is going to be pretty much the same thing, just I think with more colors that I like. So, go back, really quick rewind. I could have said this at the beginning. What did I wear today? I didn't wear shoes.
You didn't say what you wore today.
That's why I said let's do it now.
Oh, I thought you said rewind it because I said it earlier. I was like, what?
I got a fake pair of MX
92s.
Foam Runners. Yeezy Foam Runners.
Oh, that is what you.
Yeah, and they're actually really nice. I'll make a video on those. Again, I mean, this is something I was going to wear. I know I'm going to take it to the beach in a couple of weeks. That's why I wanted to get it. And I didn't really want to mess up a $300-something foam runner. So this one wasn't exactly cheap, but it definitely wasn't $300. So I'll show that one to y'all. Again, it's fake. It's really actually fake. It's not even new. It's not even early, but it's fake. Buddy of mine took me to a fake spot, and there were fakes everywhere, and most of them were trash. But I just wanted to see what it was about. It was like a big flea market area. So, but MVS XLXMXH, I think is his name. Whatever it is, you can look down in the comments because as soon as I post this video, he's going to say something about these shoes. He is currently my MVS. He
How do you know it's a guy?
I guess I don't.
Yeah, it could be me on another account.
Well, you lose.
Bruh. I promise it's not me. I'm not going to make that person lose.
I know it's not. But he's currently my MVH. Not only
MVH?
yeah. Yesterday,
What is H?
MVS. Most valuable sub. The video that I posted today was. What's the video I posted? Oh, the Zoom Comfort Jordan 1 high purple, core purple. And that was when you and I talked about another video that he commented in, and at like 7 minutes and something seconds, he said, yeah, you said pause the video just so you could prove your point to you, Haley. And we talked about that. So that was the kind of comments he normally does. He like talks about something very specific throughout the video, although the core purple and the video where I talk about him, he didn't say anything about it that I talked about him, so maybe he didn't watch that whole video. He might have skipped around a little bit. But he doesn't normally. He definitely normally looks like he watches the videos, and that's what you got to do to be the MVS. Smash the like button, comment on the videos, make sure you're subbed. But when you comment on them, comment something so that I can see that you're paying attention, and the MVS will be crowned the most valuable sub at the 2,000 sub giveaway. We got, Haley, I don't think you know this, we got 1,785 subs today. Total.
Oh, I was like, how did you get that many subs in one day?
That's how many we have
That's a
today.
lot. That's good.
We've gone up, I think, 70 in the last 28 days, which is down from the 28 days before that, but that's fine. And Haley's video on the shark slides is still doing crazy. Like, it's doing crazy, so thank you, Haley.
I was the brains, I was the money, I was every bit of
the
it.
Money. She did. She bought it all. She bought it on her own, wanted it to begin with, and then was like, I want to make a video on it, so thank you, Haley.
Yeah, you're welcome.
But thank you all for your support. Y'all are all watching the videos. Smash the like button, commenting. Again, MVS, if you want to be the MVS, there's still plenty of time to take the crown away from XLX.
XL, XM, XH.
That thing, yes. That guy. And,
person. Maybe girl.
And you can take the crown away. You just have to comment as much and as frequently. Like almost as soon as they come out most of the time. Huh?
It's like Fortnite kind of. When someone who was in first place the last game dies,
you become the...
No, when they play the next game, they have this like crown. It's like a golden crown on their head. And then when they die, the crown's just on the ground and you can go pick it up.
Like when you kill the kill leader in Apex. That's probably more like it, but there's no crown. Anyways, you can take the crown. Just make sure you're here, you commented on all the videos, and you're commenting something that shows me you're watching through the video, because YouTube likes it when you watch through the video, so I like it too. Thanks for being here. Thanks for trying to be the MVS, because there's several of y'all that are working at it, but he's beating you. Said person is beating y'all. So thanks for being here. Tell your grandma about the tree lines. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Cheers. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.